Guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's session I'm going to tell you that how we can create over there a random tweet generator. So on that there going to be one button. If I click on that particular button, I will get over there a new tweet option. So if I click that, so I will get over there a new messages. So like how we can create it with the help of the JavaScript, we can write over there any of the content on a web page, or we can create over there any of the dynamic web page. So here we go, let's learn it together.
So the IV class equal container. So it's going to be look like a box. Now next they're going to be H1. That's going to be my first heading. In that I am just generating over there a class that where my tweets are going to be. So I want that my tweet should be on the left hand side. So it will be in the italic. Now same way they're going to be the spam ID. That's going to be spam class. Then I'm closing the span. Same way they're going to be the italic class that's going to be on the right hand side. So I'm just copying this line and pasting over here. Instead of the left, it will be right. Now they're going to be my paragraph. So my paragraph going to be author. My ID also going to be the author. Now I'm creating over there the HR. Now div class equal buttons. Let's have a look like how it's look like. So I'm just making over there one button as a Twitter. So my ID going to be look like tweet. Now my data size, like how my size going to be over there. So I want my size going to be look like in a large order. So moving to the next line, so I'm using this blank. Now my I class equal. Like how my Twitter going to be look like. Then I have to close over there the I, close over there A, the attributes. Now button on my next tweet. That going to be button class like it shows over here. Same way we have to type. So now if I click on the button, then it's going to generate over there my next tweets. For that on click, then it's going to be get that I can take it from there. So it's going to be new tweet. Then we will type over there new. So sorry, there's going to be next tweet. Then I'm closing the button. Afterwards, I'm closing the div. Now let's have a look. So new tweet and the line is there. That's great. Let's do the code inside the CSS. Then I will add over there the hyperreference link so that it's going to be show over there the Twitter link and the Twitter link will be shows over there. So over here, let's add over there the margins. Like how my border should be there, that I want that it should be a box. Like how it's going to be the timing functions and all that. Then it's going to be the background image that I want the linear gradients to right bottom. I'm just deciding over there the RGB that what color I want so that it's going to be make it exactly I want. Yeah, it look good. Now I want display should be flex. Like my all the things should be coming to the center. Okay, so let's see how it's look like. You can have a look that shows the Twitter sign and the next tweet over here. So same way we can add over there the further. The hovers of the container. We can declare over there the tweet author and the document so that it's going to be rated. So over there, I had added over there the API from the internet so that it's going to be declared over there with the help of the variable. Inside that, there going to be the URL so that it's going to be declared automatically. And with all of this fetch, it's going to be read all the commands from the index file that's going to be index.html, and it's going to be randomly from 0 to any of the length of the array, it's going to declare it. So now what I will do, I will just click on the run button. So it's going to show me the next tweet while clicking over there. And there I have added over there a Twitter button. With that, it's going to be automatically take me to the Twitter. And I can also tweet anything on a Twitter. It's going to automatically open it. Like you can have a look that it's opening the Twitter. Same way I can just sign in my Twitter account and it's going to be automatically post my things. Yeah, that's all about it. So this was the web page. So you can see that I can click on the next tweet. So I will able to see it a lot of things. That's all about it.